Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your personal details to the Accor ALL application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen and tap on personal details down below. Scroll down and then you can select your title. Then your first name should be added as well as your last name, then your date of birth, and then your nationality, your place of birth, and then your email address, personal mobile phone or phone number, then your address. You should type in the postcode and city too, and the country, and after that tap on the save button down below to save all these information. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.